Hello viewers, here is a design we are using there. Explore the features, add some designs to explore it, made some changes there, keep editing the designs I will use there, add a paint here we are making the designs. So let's use the new shapes. Again I will take the further designs. So here we have also add some shapes. So we are going to take it, use the razor tool again